Welcome to today's World Geography Quiz. You'll answer 10 multiple-choice questions. You have 10 seconds to think about each one. Let's see how well you know your stuff. Good luck! Question 1. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? A. Russia. B. United States. C. Canada. D. Finland. The correct answer is C. Canada. Canada contains roughly 879,800 lakes, which is more than all other countries combined. About 60% of the world's lakes are found within Canadian borders. Question 2. What is the smallest country in the world by total area? A. Monaco. B. San Marino. C. Liechtenstein. D. Vatican City. The correct answer is D. Vatican City. Vatican City covers just 0.44 square kilometers, making it the world's smallest sovereign state. It is entirely surrounded by the city of Rome, Italy. Question 3. Which river flows through the most countries in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Danube. D. Congo. The correct answer is C. Danube. The Danube River flows through or borders 10 countries in Europe, more than any other river on Earth. It stretches from Germany's Black Forest all the way to the Black Sea. Question 4. Which African country is the only one to have never been colonized by a European power? A. Sudan. B. Ethiopia. C. Ghana. D. Tanzania. The correct answer is B. Ethiopia. Ethiopia successfully resisted Italian colonization by defeating Italy at the Battle of Adwa in 1896, making it one of the very few African nations to maintain independence throughout the colonial era. Question 5. What is the longest mountain range in the world? A. Himalayas. B. Rocky Mountains. C. Andes. D. Alps. The correct answer is C. Andes. The Andes stretch approximately 7,000 kilometers along the western coast of South America, making them the longest continental mountain range on Earth. They also host the highest active volcano in the world. Question 6. Which country contains the most time zones? A. Russia. B. United States. C. China. D. France. The correct answer is D. France. France spans 12 time zones when including its overseas territories across the globe, more than any other country. Russia, by comparison, covers 11 time zones. Question 7. The Strait of Malacca connects which two bodies of water? A. South China Sea and Bay of Bengal. B. Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean. C. Persian Gulf and Arabian Sea. D. Java Sea and Coral Sea. The correct answer is A. South China Sea and Bay of Bengal. The Strait of Malacca is one of the world's most strategically important shipping lanes, linking the South China Sea to the Andaman Sea and beyond to the Bay of Bengal. Over 80,000 vessels pass through it annually. Question 8. Which desert is the largest hot desert on Earth? A. Arabian Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Sahara Desert. D. Kalahari Desert. The correct answer is C. Sahara Desert. The Sahara covers approximately 9.2 million square kilometers across North Africa, making it the largest hot desert on Earth. It is roughly the size of the contiguous United States. Question 9. Which landlocked country is the furthest from any ocean in the world? A. Mongolia. B. Kazakhstan. C. Uzbekistan. D. Bolivia. The correct answer is A. Mongolia. Mongolia's capital Ulaanbaatar is often cited as one of the most remote capitals from any sea. However, parts of western China near the Mongolia-Kazakhstan border hold the record for the most distant point from any ocean, known as the Eurasian Pole of Inaccessibility. Question 10. Which country shares land borders with the most other countries? A. Brazil. B. China. C. Russia. D. Germany. The correct answer is C. Russia. Russia borders 14 sovereign countries, more than any other nation on Earth. China is close behind with 14 as well, though the count varies slightly depending on disputed territories. Russia's vast landmass spanning 2 continents gives it this unique geographic distinction. That's all the questions for today. Drop your score in the comments, I'd love to know how you did. If you enjoyed the quiz, hit like and subscribe for a new quiz every week. See you next time.